Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix your iPhone not charging. So let's get straight into the video. There are a couple of reasons why you could be facing this problem. The first reason being water or debris or lint going inside of your power cord. What you want to do is simply go ahead and try to clean it with a toothpick or a gentle brush. If it is water inside your charging port, then you might want to simply go ahead and let it air dry. So if that is not the case and your phone is still not charging, you might want to perform a forced restart. In order to do that, all you need to do is simply go ahead and press and release your volume up and your down button, and then press and hold your power button, which will take you to this. If you keep on pressing your power button, then it's going to simply go ahead and force restart. So I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.